In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create an invoice using QuickBooks. This process is incredibly straightforward and will help you get your billing done efficiently and accurately. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you have the app installed on your desktop or mobile device, you could use that as well. Whichever way you choose, once you're on the platform, you'll immediately see its user-friendly interface. The main dashboard should give you access to a variety of features, including your financial statements, account balances, and customer data. This is where all the magic happens, so to speak. Now, from this dashboard area, look for the Create button. This is going to be your gateway to making an invoice tailored to your needs. Click on Create and you'll see several options. Among these, you'll find the Invoice option. Click it. By selecting Invoice, you're telling QuickBooks that you want to generate a document that will request payment from a client or customer for services rendered or goods provided. This feature is great because it allows you to maintain a professional appearance in your communications, and it keeps your records in order. Once you've clicked on Invoice, you'll enter the invoice creation screen. This is where you get to be as detailed or as straightforward as you like. You'll notice fields for customer details, items or services provided, quantities, rates, and taxes, if applicable. You can enter the customer's information directly into the relevant fields, or you can choose an existing customer from your saved list if you have recurring clients. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of human error in data entry. There are also options for adding any additional notes or payment terms. It can be helpful to specify a due date for the payment as a gentle reminder to your client. Additionally, if you're offering late payment fees or early payment discounts, you can make those terms clear right here. This customization is really where you can make your invoice template work for you and your business. Maybe you'd like to adjust the color scheme to match your company's branding, or perhaps you want the layout to look a certain way. QuickBooks allows for flexibility here, so feel free to personalize it to suit your needs. Finally, after reviewing all the details and ensuring that everything looks correct, you're ready to finish up. There's usually a save button or perhaps an email button if you're planning to send this invoice electronically to your client. And once you've hit that final button, you're all set. You've successfully created an invoice using QuickBooks. This simple process not only saves you time, but also keeps your financial records organized and professional. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your bookkeeping remains accurate and up to date. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to tackle your billing with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.